If you want to adjust the quick panel in the Samsung Galaxy S26, well, all you have to do is just to open it and click on this icon. Now, as you can see, if you want to change or remove any of these shortcuts, for example, if you want to remove this media output, you have to click on this red button. Now we can change size of all of those adjustments. For example, you can move it, you have to click on this switcher. There we go. And you have to quickly just swipe like so you can just make it smaller. And the same for this one, for example. Now we can try to fit, if we make it smaller, we can try to fit it. Okay, we cannot, but we can try to smart TV fit next into this one. And now as you can see, we can just make it like you want, adjust. And if you want to add some controls, you have to click here, for example, to take a screenshot. It will be visible here. And when you click and hold it, you can even drag buttons to put them into this expandable area. And now we can also make this bigger if you want. Click done. And now as you can see, that's how you can change those things. So thanks for watching. See you on the next one.